Students, welcome to your chemistry class. Hello students, welcome to your chemistry class. Today we are looking at the reaction of ethene, and the formula for ethene is CH2 double bond CH2, that is ethene. So we are looking at the reaction of ethene. Your presenter is E.B. Christian. So what is ethene? Ethene is the most important alkene. You know, alkenes are hydrocarbons with double bond. Okay, good. So ethene is the most important alkene and is one of the products obtained during cracking of the gas oil fraction of petroleum. It is colorless gas with a faint sweetish smell. Ethene is sparingly soluble in water, slightly less denser than air, and has no effect on litmus. So what are the reactions of it? Combustion. First is combustion. Combustion is the reaction, that is burning of a substance in air or oxygen. Ethene burns in air or oxygen with a smoky and luminous flame to form water and carbon dioxide. So you can see ethene here, CH2 C2H4 gas, that is ethene, plus 3 molecules of oxygen to give you 2 molecules of water and carbon dioxide. So that is the first reaction of ethene. Next, reaction with hydrogen gas. Ethene reacts with hydrogen molecule to form ethane. You know, hydrogen molecule and hydrogen gas are the same thing, okay? Good. Now the reaction occurs at the double bond, converting it to a single bond. So look at the reaction here. See, CH2 double bond CH2 plus hydrogen molecule, hydrogen gas, something, okay? Now, if you break this bond now, I pick one hydrogen here, attach here, pick the other hydrogen, attach here, it becomes CH3, CH3, and the double bond is reduced to what? Single bond. So we call this ethene, and we call this ethane. So that is how ethene reacts with hydrogen. The next reaction we are going to consider is reaction with halogens. What are halogens? Halogens are group 7 elements in the periodic table. Examples of halogens are chlorine, bromine, fluorine, iodine, etc., etc. Now the halogens react with ethene exactly the very same way hydrogen gas reacts. But the difference is that while hydrogen reacts with ethene to form ethane, halogens react with ethene to form dihaloalkane. Look at the reaction here. CH2 double bond CH, that's ethene, plus bromine molecule. Okay. Now, if you pick one bromine here, attach here, you have this. Pick the other bromine, attach here, you have this. And the double bond is reduced to what? Single bond. So we call this 1,2-dibromoethane. Okay. Next, reaction with halogen halides. Halogen halides. Now, halogen halides, symbolized with HX, are composed of hydrogen atom and halogen atom. Okay, they react with ethene to form haloalkane, that is ROX. Look at the reaction here. You have CH2, the one CH2, that's ethane, react with hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen chloride is an example of hydrogen halides. Okay, good. Now, if you pick this hydrogen and attach to this here, it becomes CH3. Then the other chlorine attached this way gives you CH2 and Cl. So we call this chloroethane. Chloro what? Ethane. So that is how hydrogen halide reacts with what? Ethane. The next one is reaction with chlorine water. Chlorine water is formed when chlorine dissolves in water. It contains oxochlorate 1 acid, that is HOCl. It reacts, that is, chlorine water react with ethene to form 2-chloroethanol. Look at the reaction here. CH2, the one in CH2, that's ethene. Okay, good. Reacting with chlorine water. Look at what we form here. The hydroxy, that the OH here, will be attached to this guy, giving you CH2OH. Okay, good. Then the Cl attached to this guy, giving you Cl on top here. Okay. Then the double bond is now reduced to what? Single bond. And we call this 2-chloroethanol. 2-chloroethanol. That is how ethene reacts with chlorine water. The next one is reaction with tetraoxosulfate 6 acid. Ethene reacts with tetraoxosulfate acid to form, first of all, ethyl hydrogen tetraoxosulfate 6, which then undergoes acid hydrolysis when boiled with water to yield ethanol. So you can see CH2, double bond CH2, that is ethene, reacting with tetraoxosulfate 6 acid to give you ethyl hydrogen tetraoxosulfate 6. Now, the ethyl hydrogen tetraoxosulfate 6 react with water to give you ethanol and tetraoxosulfate 6. Next, reaction with tetraoxomanganese 7. Ethene react with a dilute solution of potassium tetraoxomanganese 7 KMnO4 to form ethane 1,2-diol, otherwise called ethylene glycol, which is used in antifreeze mixture of a car radiator and also for making a polyester called terylene. The reaction is an oxidation reaction where the potassium tetraoxomanganese 7 is reduced to a green solution of potassium tetraoxomanganese 6 if the solution is alkaline, or to a colorless solution of manganese 2 salt if the solution is acidic. Now you can see the reaction here, CH2 double bond CH2, that's ethene, plus this water and this oxygen now is obtained from the oxidizing agent called potassium tetraoxomanganese 7. And when that happens, you're going to have this ethane 1,2-diol, otherwise called glycol. The last reaction we're going to consider of ethene is a reaction called polymerization reaction. Polymerization reaction is a type of reaction in organic chemistry where smaller molecules known as monomers react together to form a giant molecule called polymer. Several molecules of ethene monomer react together to form a polymer called polyethene. So you can see it here. And here identify several molecules of ethene, CH2, double bond CH2, to form this chain you are seeing here. So this is what we call a polymer. So that is the reaction of ethene undergoes. Thanks for watching.